Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, year 2012 government pass question. Question number 50. Question number 50. And it says the founding members of Opec are dash. Opec. Opec stands for Organization of Petroleum exporting countries. So the founding members are dash. Option A, Algeria, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Option B says Nigeria, Libya, Iran, Iraq and Saudi Arabia. The option C say Venezuela, Nigeria, Libya, Iran and Iraq. Option D says Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait and Venezuela. The founding members of OPEC in 1960s were Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait and Venezuela. So option D is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.